Alright lads, Tá an seo Gilgóca Gúnta Kildara agus tá sí tar éis iglú a crothú. So Tarlum.
Here we go. Sláinte.
Caramel markets?
Jimmy?
Vintage Powers.
Vintage Powers, yeah. We've no Brennan's bread, so we have Vintage Powers instead. And a song.
Back from my daddy-o, back from my daddy-o, this whiskey as I was going on, far from Kenmont, and with Captain Farrell and his mate he was counting. This produce my pistol, that produce my rapier, I said, stand and deliver, word of all the savor, sure, back from my daddy-o, back from my daddy-o, this whiskey counted out his money, it made pretty penny. Put it in my pocket and I brought it home to Molly. She sighed and she swore, said she wouldn't see me. But it will take this woman, but it kept me in the sherry, never do that. Back for the patio, back for the patio, this whiskey
Sinné an cheoltar crackáilte Cóca tá sé tham a gur chop an té.